Howdy y'all. Today we got a trouble code on our 2001 F-150 here, the code P0171 or Bank 1 System 2 lean. And on one of my vacuum lines, on the hose, found this one dry rotted. Also found this one right here. Not broken, but still hard as a rock. Over here, these things connect to the intake right here. Oh, one piece goes right here. The other longer one goes from here. Let's see. Runs all the way down to the valve cover. So we're going to replace those and see if it fixes the issue. So I got some sections of rubber hose from the parts store and this little PVC fitting. We'll see if this works. If not, I'm just gonna put this rubber elbow back on. So, let's see if this works. Okay, so the first section of hose is on right here, but down here, unfortunately, PVC fitting is not going to work, so there's no complete crack in the rubber hosing, so I'm just going to put that on there for now. Okay, as you can see, both lines are reconnected. Now we're going to clear the codes and fire up and see if the check engine light stays off. Okay, as you can see, the codes have been cleared. Check engine light is off. So far it has not come back on, though it's only idled for about 30 seconds or so. So I'm going to drive it around a little bit, and if the light comes back on and throws that code again, I will get back with y'all. Okay y'all, so I've driven the truck for a few days and drove about 140 miles, give or take, and as y'all can see, the check engine light has not come back on. So I'm pretty sure that hose was the issue. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video, subscribe, and share. Until next time, y'all take care and stay safe out there.